Hello guys, and welcome to Epic Mentorship. In today's video I want to share with you how to add the automatic reply from your Gmail, assuming you want to go on vacation. It's also called a vacation email, or you have an outing that during that outing you're going to have minimal access to your email inbox, or you're traveling to somewhere where you don't have much network and you don't want to miss out on important messages. You can set an automatic reply to any sender to your inbox. So once the email reaches your inbox, this automatic reply will get to him. So if you want to set an automatic reply on Gmail, all you need to do is to come to the gear icon here, or the settings. You click on this. You can come to see all settings and you stay at the general tab. You have the option to move to other tabs like the filters, the account and import, the forward and POP and all that. But in this case, for the purpose of this video, you stay on general and you can come all the way down until you reach to vacation responder. Okay, so this is vacation responder. Once you enable it, you can turn it on and you can specify the date. The first day is going to be November 21 and the last day you can put it, it's optional. You can put it maybe, let's say, November 24th. So let's say we are taking from 10th of November to 24th of November, about 2 weeks, and the subject is on vacation. So whoever sends you a message is going to receive this auto reply, and the subject is going to be on vacation. You can change it if you want, and then you have the text over here. Okay, so dear sender, kindly note that I'm away for vacation. I will respond as soon as I have access to my email. Thank you, Dr. Rashid. Feel free to edit all this with these text features. You can add you can insert an image, you can play around with the adjustments, you can bold part of the text, you can change coloration, you can increase or decrease the sizes, and you can come here and put in different colors as you wish. Okay, once you're done, you're satisfied with this period, you're going on vacation. Thank you and enjoy your vacation. You can save this, and once you save this, whoever sends this, and even on the email, it's going to take it that you are on vacation. Okay, so this says you are on vacation because this is on the 10th. The whole email is announced that you are on vacation. You can end it now and your preferences have been saved, so the vacation is now ended. Or you can still come back to the same place that you've added and come to see all settings. You come all the way down at the general tab. You can come over here and you say off vacation. It's the same way, the same thing. So this is just a bit on how to set the automatic reply when you want to go on vacation, or when you want to have minimal access to your email for ease of communication between you and your sender. If you like this video or you enjoy it in any way, please remember to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to always hit the like and subscribe buttons to stay connected to this channel for more of our very useful videos. I'll see you in my next video.